Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've been making this, I call it a geometric pattern shape, and I thought how neat it would be to make it on an ellipse or a circle. So if you have 8 Corel X8 and above, it's real easy. We're going to go object to path. We're going to hold the shift key down and select our path. And for some reason you need to invert this, but first we need to make it where it'll follow the path. So we've got these nodes that were square, and I actually had to back up, and that one is a little bit off. I had to change the video. Anyway, so what you want to do is you want to grab all these and you want to right click and convert them to a curve. And then you want to take these, and that one's already at the edge. So take the first, and we're just going to slightly nudge it down. Well, I must have just grabbed the top. We need to grab the top and the bottom and nudge them down to that line. Take the next 4, nudge them down to that line. What we're going to try to do is make a smooth transition. And make one more click on that one. Then that one's already on the line, so we're going to do these 6 till that's on the line, then grab these 4 till that one's on the line, then grab the last 2. And what we're doing is we're making the curvature sort of kind of flow. Then with object to path, just hold down and the shift key and select it both. We're going to make 39 copies. Well, what we also need to do, for some reason object to path does it, we need to mirror our object. Hold down the shift key, select both of them, and hit apply. Now I'm a little bit off with one side, so we can back up completely, and we'll see where we're wrong. I probably made one a little bit thicker, so let's edge up just a little bit with this one, because I had to redo the video, the phone rang. So let's try this. Let's try mirroring it. Hold down the shift key, select our path, and hit apply. We're still a little bit off. But what we can also do too is we can do it right here. We'll do it to this one. We want that to match that one. So I'm going to grab all these. Well, matter of fact, I'm just going to grab these top 2. And I don't like the way that looks. I'm going to delete, kind of have a smooth curve. And we actually need to bring that up just a hair. And that looks pretty cool. Now we can delete all these. It worked really well the first time, but I didn't save my shape, so I had to recreate it. So now let's flip it. Hold down the shift key and select our path and hit apply. It's a little bit funky looking, but you get the idea. Now that's how easy it is if you have X8 and above. If you don't, it's no big deal. Go to, that's a nice feature, but you can do it without. Go to range and go to transform, the rotation docker. And I did a little math, and it's actually 8.78 degrees for 41 times. Well, that was pretty cool. Double click on it. I'm going to bring in some indexing lines, hit P. Double click on our rotation and bring our rotation to the center. That's one thing you don't have to do with the path. Now we're not in the center, so we'll bring it down. A lot of times Corel does that. Okay, we are in the center. Hit apply, and voila, it did the same thing. That's a pretty cool way to do things. Then delete your ellipse. and I would probably weld these together, and now they're all one piece, and you could actually make them any size you wanted. That'd be a nice addition to anything. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.